Hi everyone! Today I am going to show you how to make spaghetti. You will need purple onion. This is 2 purple onions. Lemongrass. Tomatoes. I use about 3 green tomatoes here. If you have the red tomatoes, go ahead and use the red tomatoes. Tomato basil garlic sauce, ground turkey, my special chili sauce, garlic, this is a whole clove of garlic, chicken broth mix, black pepper, natural sea salt, 2 bags of the chicken meatballs, cilantro and onion, and organic spaghettis. I have 2 packs right here. All right, I can't wait to show you the result. It's gonna be so delicious. The first thing you wanna do is boil your noodles. Now my water is boiling. I'm gonna add my noodles. And you wanna stir that up. I add some olive oil to your water and your noodles so that way they don't stick. Stir that, cook it for about 10 minutes until the noodle is soft to the way that you want it. Now my noodles are ready because they are soft. So I am going to turn off the heat and take it to the sink to drain. Okay, now I'm gonna strainer. Just like that. Turn on the water. Cold water. Just stir it. Make sure the noodles are not hot because they will stick together. Gonna let that set aside. Now it's time to go cook the sauce and the meat. I put some olive oil. Let the oil get hot. And add my garlic. Lemongrass. You just want to cook them for a little bit, just like that. Now we're going to add the ground turkey. Use the whole pack. Chicken powder. black pepper. Until the meat is almost ready, then you will add your vegetables. So when your meat looks like this, it's almost cooked. Go ahead and add your purple onion. Special sauce. Mix it all together. And add your tomatoes. Add your meatballs. They're frozen, so I want to add them. Let them cook slowly. And last, add your cilantro onion. And the spaghetti sauce. Mix everything together. Okay, so go ahead and cover it just like that and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Make sure to stir it occasionally so it doesn't stick to the bottom. If you love mushrooms, you could add mushroom too. I just don't have mushroom today. But it is very delicious with mushroom. It's almost ready. Now that your sauce is ready, go ahead and get your noodles. I don't like to add my noodles to the sauce, so I prefer to add my sauce to my noodle. I am going to add some cheese to my spaghetti. Just like that, you have your spaghetti. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Please come back, subscribe, like, and share.